Vegetables. Useful English sentences.
Bell pepper. Red bell peppers are good in salads. Beetroot. Yesterday, I only had a beetroot salad for lunch. Broccoli. Do you like broccoli? Cabbage. I like most vegetables, but not cabbage. Carrot. Rabbits love carrots. Celery. Put a stick of celery in the salad. Cauliflower. There is cauliflower for dinner. Garlic. I love the taste of garlic. Lettuce. Lettuce is delicious with oil and vinegar. Mushroom. You can eat some mushrooms, but others are poisonous. Onion. You have put too much onion in this salad. Potato. People in Britain and Ireland eat a lot of potatoes. Pumpkin. People make lanterns out of pumpkins at Halloween. Radish. Let's put some radishes in the salad. Spinach. I bought a bag of chopped spinach.